Morning, everybody. This is Fairbanks again. So everybody thinks that these earthquakes aren't happening and that the North America continent isn't actually rolling. Well, this was from this morning, Friday, October 26th, and this is from California. Earthquake swarms and region-wide rotten egg smell recently reminded Southern Californian residents that they live next to an active volcano field. They're talking about that everybody's waking up smelling rotten eggs and sulfur. They're also talking about that there's 5 new volcanoes underneath the ocean right near California. This would explain why there's been so many more quakes in California lately. The land mass itself is actually liquefying and moving. I don't know if California is going to drop off into the ocean or not, like everybody's predicted, but there's definitely mass activity going on. So, just a little warning, all these earthquakes and volcanoes, they're real, people. Wake up, put your faith in God, because your asses are gone. God bless you guys.